how to upload photos to the MLS. So once you open your email, click on that download the photos button. Accept the copyright licenses, clicking I accept. And here are all of your photos. We're going to click on this MLS files button, and that one is going to download all of the images. And this is going to compress them into one zip file. So now go into your downloads folder. And here I'm explaining how you can download if you just want one photo or two photos instead of downloading all of them at once by clicking that button up at the top. You can just simply click that word there that says MLS size, and then that'll download just that one photo. If you click directly on the photo, it will just open the photo. You have to click the MLS size button. And so go to your downloads folder. Whenever you are there, you're going to have to extract these files. For me, I just have to double click on the folder. For you, you might have to right click and hit extract files so that they can all come out. So once you open it, then here are going to be your floor plan and your photos. So open up that folder again, and there they are in order from 1 to whatever the number is. Now we're going to go to, what I am doing right now is I am able to rename the images, and so I'm going to have a more clear naming. This is not a step that you have to do, but this is just something that I like for our team to do whenever uploading the images. And so let's go to har.com to access the matrix. Click read later to those things, add or edit the matrix add edit button, enter your modify your MLS number in this section. You will hit, in this case, you're going to hit manage photos. And in here, you will be adding your photos. You can see there's other links. This manage tours link is where you're going to add the videos. Manage attachments is where you might add the floor plan, surveys, other extra attachments. Right now, we're just managing the photos. Hit the browse button. And through here, you're going to go and search for your photos. Remember, they are in the download section. And so you'll double click on those folders and make sure that you put them in number order so that whenever you select all of them and hit open, it actually uploads them in order. Because if they're not in number order, it's going to be chaos trying to reorganize and see what room went next. And so here it is uploading all the images. This is whenever I highly suggest you enter descriptions of each room, even if it's as simple as the left side of the front exterior showing an oak tree. All of those things are so important for future buyers. It helps them to get excited about the home, and it eliminates all buyers' confusion, or buyers they're not confused. Whenever a buyer is confused, they just don't buy. And so you hit certify and save, and you're good to go. You have uploaded the photos for the MLS.